class. It's almost Thanksgiving, and one of my favorite parts about Thanksgiving is the yummy breads. So today we're going to make cranberry muffins out of this Pillsbury mix, and we're just going to follow the directions on the back for muffins, which includes the mix itself and milk, 1 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of oil, and 2 eggs, which I already cracked right here. We need a measuring cup, a mixing bowl, and my muffin pan. And I need to turn on the oven to 375 degrees. And let's get started. Cut open the mix. And pour it in the bowl. I'm going to add the eggs. 2 eggs. And I need 1 cup of milk. There's 1 cup. Pour it in. And I need 1/3 cup of oil. And pour it in. And now that's everything I need. I have my mix, check, my milk, check, my oil, check, and my eggs, check. So I'm going to stir it until it's well mixed. Starting to come together. See it? Okay, it's coming together nicely. Now it's nice and mixed. Looks like a nice muffin mix, and I'm going to pour it into my muffin cups right here. Fill the muffin cups about 3/4 full until they're almost at the top. Scrape all of the mix. This should make about 12 muffins. Well, so it's going to make 11 muffins. Sometimes a spatula helps get it all out nicely. And just even it out a little bit. And that looks good, so we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to let those bake for about 18 minutes. I have my timer ready. 18 minutes should be about enough time. And they should be brown on the top when they're done, and then that will be very yummy. Thank you for baking with me. Have a great day.